Hello and welcome back to my channel where I will teach you anything about high school physics, chemistry, and math. And in this tutorial, believe it or not, it's going to be my first one for the grade 12 advanced functions, which means I've opened up a brand new playlist on my channel. Go check it out because I'm going to be releasing a lot of these videos in this school year. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over long division of polynomials. Let's get started. All right, so when we want to do long division of polynomials, we're going to set it up kind of like how we did in grade 4, just with x's this time. So I'm going to put x minus 2 here. Then inside, we're going to put x cubed. But what I want to do is put it in order from highest degree to lowest degree. And you notice we go from cubed to, well, to the power of 1. There's no square. So I'm going to input a filler. I'm going to write plus 0 x squared, and then minus 2x, and finally minus 4. So first thing, don't worry about the negative 2. What do I have to multiply by x by to give us x cubed? Well, x squared. So x squared times x is x cubed. Now let's do x squared times minus 2x. That's minus 2x squared. So now, subtract. These cancel. That was the goal. And then 0 minus negative 2, so double negative, gives us 2x squared. Then we're going to bring down minus 2x and minus 4. All right. Now, again, let's look at just this term here, 2x squared. What times x gives us 2x squared? Well, that's just going to be 2x. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. Then take 2x, multiply by negative 2, and we get minus 4x. Let's subtract these, so these will cancel when we subtract. And then negative 2, here we have a double negative, so plus 4 gives us 2x. And then we'll bring down the negative 4. Get the pattern? We're almost done. Let's focus on the 2x and this x. What times x gives us 2x? Well, 2. So 2 times x gives us 2x. And then 2 times negative 2 gives us negative 4. So when we subtract, we get 0. Having no remainder means that this was a factor. We'll get to that on another tutorial when we look at how to factor polynomials. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you take grade 12 physics, you can download my entire course pack for free in the description. Check it out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.